Hey there mga my love Sagittarius! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So, before we start in your reading, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, newbies! New subscribers, ako po si yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, we do not have any gender right here, and of course, this is timeless as well. Okay, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross watchers, you can flip rose if you want, and at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na free mo rin gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, let's go ahead and check these messages for my Sagittarian people out there. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Together with the angels and guides, can you please show me messages for Sagittarius, please? Messages for Sagittarius. What do we have here for Sagittarius? What are the things they need to know? Can you please show me Sagittarius? Okay, so let's go ahead now. Let me do the honor first na ating paglay ng energy sa table before we start talking. We have here for you guys the Magician's energy. We also have here the Emperor. Whoa, two major arcanas already for my Sagittarius people. Also have here the Seven of Swords, Queen of Coins, King of Swords, Page of Wands, Five of Wands, Moon card energy, Seven of Cups. Bottom of the deck, Ace of Coins, Ten of Cups, Page of Cups energy. So, Sagittarius is what I'm picking up from here, guys. It looks like you've manifested something great here when it comes to your career, job, or sa iyong business. With the Emperor's energy, I do see that this is something here na tumaas or may pag-angat sa inyong posisyon. Pwedeng mag-level up ang inyo ditong posisyon or designation sa inyong pinagtatrabahuhan. Pero posible rin naman na kayo ay makilala or ma-recognize because of your business if you have here business, no? So, nakikita ko dito that you are manifesting here, excuse me, something to do with your career, money flow, or sa iyong business. So, I do see that this is you. You will be sitting here sa iyong own throne. And I do see that money here is coming to you effortlessly. Wow. So, the Emperor is like the Empress energy, no? So, it looks like you're attracting here something to do with abundance, prosperity. And I think it is more likely related with your finances, money, or business career. Iba naman, nakita ko rito na may tagumpay sa iyo ritong work. So, mapapansin ka na rito ng iyong boss or maaaring meron ditong makuha na incentive or something great sa iyong work, no? And nakikita ko rito, a lot of people will be connecting to you for the upcoming weeks and months here for you guys. I'm seeing people right here connecting to you. One, I do see an offer right here coming from a mature at bihasana rito. So this could be a potential business collaboration with someone. It has something to do with business, no? I do see that you will be taking, no, or kukunin mo, igagrab mo itong opportunity na to, no, because nakikita ko rito that you trust that person. Maybe you already knew that person here at alam mo na matagumpay siya sa kanyang work at gusto mo rito ng mga babes na madamay or gusto mo rito na magkaroon rin ng more success. Syempre, no, sa iyong pera. Kapag may opportunity na magpakita, you're gonna grab it, no, and you do not want to miss it. Another energy I'm seeing connecting to you here, guys, is I'm seeing someone here, no, na posible magkaroon rito ng a little na mainit na conversation here with someone. at ito ay nangangamoy away. So this could be someone here na medyo mahirap na tanggapin na mali siya or tanggapin na talo siya 'no. So ito yung klase ng energy na mahirap talagang kausapin because kahit ilang beses mong ipaliwanag sa kanya 'no, hindi niya maiintindihan kasi yung opinyon niya lang yung pinakikinggan niya. Mahirap kasi na sa isang argument 'no is one-sided lang, okey? Kailangan parehas may pagkakaintindihan dito. You understand where he or she is coming from. Pero ikaw hindi ka niya maintindihan because naka-shut yung kanyang mind dun sa kung ano lang yung pinaniniwalaan niya. So, I do see Sagittarius, someone here na medyo may argument and nakita ko dito na magiging difficult ito for you because hindi siya rito magpapatalo and why? Dahil hindi niya rito ina-accept ano man yung opinion mo, yung feedback mo, or yung side of the story mo. Yan. I'm also seeing you connecting here with someone na posibleng iniiwasan ka dito and there will be a confession right here, no? Kasi either ikaw yung magko-confront sa kanya why he or she is avoiding you. Yeah. This person here could be distancing himself or herself sa'yo. Tapos posibleng kailangan mo kasi siya ngayon or meron ka kasing kailangan na gawin or work, no, na kailangan yung cooperation niya. But for some reason, this person here is distancing from you because one, this person here, meron siyang feelings for you. And this person here could be someone na hindi niya pa niintindihan yung emotions and feelings niya. So this person here has this tendency to run away or to avoid you hanggang sa maintindihan niya na ano yung feelings niya for you. And two, or second scenario, this person here already knows na may feeling siya for you, pero maaaring na-reject niyo siya or hindi niyo na-reciprocate yung love and affection niya sa iyo, 'di ba? So nakita ko rito na parang siya ito na umiiwas sa'yo 'no, pero kasi yung iba sa inyo siguro katrabaho niyo siya, siyempre may mga trabaho na kailangan kayo from him or her 'no, so nakita ko yun sa kanya. For some reason, this person here is giving me the vibe na parang young siya, puwedeng nasa 20s or early 30s siya ng kanyang age 'no, but doesn't have to be. But I'm getting the energy here of someone who is younger than you, okay? Probably sa age, 'yan 'no. So, nakikita ko dito that this person here will continue to avoid you, 'yan 'no, and I think meron ditong confrontation kung bakit may avoidance na nangyayari 'no, at posibleng may naapektuhan rin dito puwedeng ibang work. Yan 'no, so kailangan talagang mag-usap 'no. Well, nakikita ko naman kayong mag-usap na dalawa. So, maliban diyan, I'm also seeing you right here connecting here with your, puwedeng tumatayong legal guardian mo, puwede rin naman na parents mo, your mom, your dad, or could be your lolo't lola 'no. So, I do see that this is something here na parang magaan lang yung talk 'no, parang kuwentuhan lang 'no, and I do see na parang kayo ito na parang ang tagal na nung last time na nagkuwentuhan kayo 'no, ng iyong parents or ng iyo rito na lolo't lola, grandparents mo 'no, or someone na tito't tita, mga ganyan 'no, yung ano talaga, parent figure, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, parang paminsan-minsan 'no, maganda na makapag-relax din and to talk 'no, ano man, any topic under the sun, 'di ba, with your, parents, 'di ba, or with your lolo't lola 'no. So, parang isa itong pagre-relax na rin sa'yo 'no, parang chill day mo na rin ito, baka mangyari ito 'no, kapag binisita mo sila 'no, lalo na kung ikaw ay bumukod na 'no, sa inyong bahay 'no, or kapagka malayo sila sa inyo 'no, the talk will happen here 'no, kapag ikaw ay rest day or you're doing nothing 'no, puwede rin naman na weekends, 'yan 'no. So, aside from that, Sagittarius, nakita rin ako dito 'no, ng energy of someone here 'no, na aalokhin niya kayo ng kasal pero nakikita ko rito that you will not accept this person's offer. This is not your boyfriend, not even your girlfriend, and bakit hindi mo tatanggapin ang offer niya dito ng pagsisimula? It is because the marriage proposal will be coming from your ex lover. Yeah, you heard it right, no? Kakabalik niya lang dito tapos biglang boom, magpa-pop out siya rito ng will you marry me or magpakasal na raw kayo, Sagittarius, no? Kahit sino naman, what? Magugulat, 'di ba? Kakabalik mo lang tapos tatanungin mo ako ng ganyang nakakagulat na question. Hindi ko nga alam kung anong nangyari sa'yo, saan lupalop ka ng mundo, anong dahilan kung bakit ka nagbabalik ulit, 'no? Yeah, this is someone here you already had history with, meron na kayong legend nitong person na 'to, 'no, and I do see that this person here is someone who gave you a lot of confusion at posibleng naglaho pa siya at umalis, 'no? Nakita tayo ng kadiliman dito, so puwedeng literal na gabi siya umalis, alsabalutan, nag-ghost, may abandonment issue, and this person here left you a lot of question marks on your head, thinking bakit siya rito nawala at umis ka po. Yan. 'Di ba? Tapos bigla siyang babalik dito, sasabihin niya rito na, pakasal na tayo, parang, "Ay, sino ka?" Bigla kang papasok sa pintuan ta's sasabihin mo, "Pakasal na tayo." Yan 'no? Puwedeng tandaan mo kung kailan ka huling umalis, kung kailan kita huling nakita, yung likod mo yung huli kong nakita, yung iba nga hindi ko nakita yung anino mo, eh, 'di ba? So, nakita ko dito, naka-question-question yung pagbabalik ng ex mo rito at mas ka-question-question, bakit siya rito mamadaling pakasal sa'yo, 'no? Nakita ko rito marami-rami sa inyo ang tatanggi sa kanya. Na kahit sino naman magugulat 'no, parang ikaw 'to na hindi ka pa nagpapaliwanag ba't ka nagwala ta's sasabihin mo na agad magpakasal, eh, loka-loka. So yung nakita ko rito. Maliban diyan, Sagittarius 'no, nakita rin ako rito 'no ng posibleng may rival or competition 'no, at posibleng hindi mo 'to alam. 'Yan 'no. Meron dito nakikipagkompetisyon na hindi niya nire-reveal kung sino siya, but I'm getting that it could be someone here close to you. Might be one of your closest friends or might be your siblings or maybe one of your relatives or family members 'no. Parang may halong inggit, na may halong nayayabangan sa'yo, parang may gano'n. So, maaaring dahil meron ka kasi ritong magandang energy pagdating sa iyong kaperahan, so posibleng yun yung reason why or meron kasi ritong mga magagandang opportunities coming your way and this person here could probably already know that, 'no? Alam niya rin yun. So, posibleng dun ang pinagmulan ng inggit, 'yan 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na hindi mo 'to kilala 'no, hindi niya reveal yung self niya rito 'no. So, this person here could be hiding it from you. Kunyari ganito 'no, "Ay, na-promote ako sa work, ay maganda yung kita ko ngayon 'no, tara kumain tayo sa labas." So, tapos siya 'to na parang, his or her eyes 'no, nagrolyo, nag-eyes rolled siya sa inyo 'no, and you do not know that 'no, pagtalikod niya 'no, umikot yung mata niya, yung mga ganyan 'no. May paggalaw yung bibig 'no, nag-murmur siya rito 'no. Yeah, this person here could possibly be having this inggit na parang, "Ano akala mo ikaw lang? 'Yan 'no, kaya ko din 'yan." May mga gano'n 'no. Ta's ikaw 'to na wala kang kamalay-malay, nakikipagkompetensya na pala siya sa'yo rito and I do see that it could be someone here close to you. Yeah, might be one of your closest friends or even sa loob ng family or mga kamag-anak, 'yan. So, maliban diyan nakita rin ako rito 'no, ng energy na magsisinungaling pa lang sa inyo. Could be someone here 'no, na posibleng pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Yes, it might happen. Even yung pinaka-trusted person mo can lie to you. Hindi lang yan sa'yo. It can happen to anybody, to everyone, okey? But here, I do see 'no, na mahuhuli mo siya agad-agad 'no, right away 'no, na nagsisinungaling siya. Kasi this person right here, hindi talaga siya yung person na nagsisinungaling. So from there, possible na maayos din 'to agad-agad 'no, kasi posibleng meron lang siyang problemang kailangang-kailangan niyang ayusin and then it so happen na hindi siya magaling magsinungaling so maaaring mahuli mo siya agad 'no. And I think this is one of your friends right here 'no, who probably needs help, okey? Pero yun nga 'no, I think meron siyang reason and malalaman mo kung ano yung reason niya, ba't niya pa kailangang magsinungaling, 'di na lang niya kailangang sabihin ng diretso para matulungan mo siya from there, 'di ba? This person has his or her own reasons and you will hear him or her out. So, nakikita ko dito na maayos niyo rin yung issue together agad-agad, no? So, yeah, it's a matter of communicating really well, 'no? Yan nakikita natin dito, 'no? And also kasi nagi-guilty rin naman siya, 'no, na magsisinungaling siya rito sa inyo, yan. So, if you are already in a relationship naman, I'm seeing your person right here, 'no, na parang mas magiging expressive pa siya ng love niya for you, mas magiging sweet siya pa, "Uy, ang sweet mo ngayon 'no, talaga susunduin mo ko ulit mamaya, o sige, 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 sige." Mga gano'n. So, parang parang meron ditong mga more na pag-express ng, love language sa'yo. Might be gifting or might be spending more time here with you, like different from the usual na ginagawa niya 'no, 'yan. Kung bakit? Wala lang, this person here wants to show you, okay, na love ka niya and that you are special. Yan. So yeah, there you go. These are all the messages we've got right here for you, Saji. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Muli ako po si Yan Sarang Hiya, Love in Light. And yeah.